We have a spoon. What are we doing with the spoon? Are you going to eat those stinky toes? No? Okay. There we go. Put that back. Yay. Good job. Good job. Do you see another spoon? Are there more spoons, JJ? Yeah. Oh, good. Yay. Let's see. Can you put them in this one? Uh-huh. Oh. He likes putting things in cups and bowls and moving them around. Let's see, now what are we doing? Uh-oh. Oh, those are JJ's Mardi Gras beads. Okay. What are we going to do? Are you going to put your spoons in your cup? Oh, no, he's putting the spoons on the beads. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Let's see, what are we doing? Mm-hmm. Yeah, good job. Good job. Can you put them in here? All right. Uh-huh. Oh, that was a good idea. Very good, JJ. Do you have one more? Do you have another spoon? You're great. Oh, where does your necklace go? Yeah.